Thank you for joining me for gratitude meditation. To begin, find a quiet place where you know you will not be disturbed. Sit upright in a comfortable, stable position where you will feel fully supported and your back, neck, and head are straight. You can also lie down on your back in a comfortable place. Take a deep breath and allow your eyes to gently close. Take another slow deep breath to bring yourself into the present moment and begin the process of feeling more peaceful and centered. Now mentally scan your body for any areas where there is tightness or tension and breathe your warm oxygen-filled breath into that area, and as you breathe out, let the tension release. If you notice any thoughts or emotions, allow them to flow out as your breath leaves your body. Now, as we start the gratitude process, acknowledge that if you are listening to this meditation, you already have marvelous gifts. For instance, the gift of hearing that allows you to hear these words. Listen to beautiful music. Hear the voices of those who love the song of a bird, the notes of a band or orchestra, the sounds of your own breath flowing in and out. You also have the gift of life itself, including your heartbeats that gives life to your body, the food that nourishes you and the energy that you are. Think about all the things that we have in our modern lives today that make our lives more comfortable and convenient than any people that have existed on the earth before our time. We flip a switch and light appears. We turn on a tap and clean drinkable water flows. We have a roof to keep us dry when it rains, walls to keep out the cold wind, windows to let in the light, screens to keep out the insects. We enter a vehicle and it takes us where we want to go. We have access to machines that wash our clothes. We have clothes to wear and places to store them. There are machines that store our food at just the right temperature. We have indoor plumbing. We have public schools that can teach us to read and write, skills that were available to only the very few just a few hundred years ago. We have connectivity and access to all of the knowledge that has ever existed in the history of the world through our smart devices that sit in our pockets. Now take a moment to reflect on all the thousands of people who have worked hard, most without knowing you at all, to make your life easier and more pleasant. Those who transport food and other products to the market. Those who take the time to design the store, the shelves, the packaging, and keep the food safe that allows you to find what you need. The postal workers who sort and deliver the mail. Those who maintain the servers that allow the internet to be available to us anywhere and at any time. Those who design operations and systems for gathering, sorting, and disposing of trash and recycling those. Think of those who play sports, create art, or create music and film to entertain you. Now consider the people and pets you know who enrich your life, those who make you smile and cheer you on. Those family, friends, acquaintances, colleagues, and peers. Those ancestors who worked so that you can live well. Those friends who support you when you need a shoulder or a hand. Now take a moment to reflect on your own reasons for feeling grateful in this moment. Choose one memory that you are grateful for, one current life event or situation that you are grateful for, and one future possibility that you are grateful for. There's so much to be grateful for in this moment. Allow the gratitude to fill your heart and uplift your spirit. Take several minutes to think about those three things: the memory, the current life situation, and the future possibility that you feel gratitude for, and allow yourself to feel each one fully now in this present moment. Take a deep breath and rest quietly for several minutes, noticing how you feel throughout your body, your emotions compared to how you felt before you started. No judging, just noticing. Now take a deep breath and gently stretch your hands and arms. Start bringing life back to your feet and legs. Take another deep breath, and when you're ready, you can open your eyes. With practice, you will find yourself feeling grateful easily wherever you are and no matter what is going on. Remember that gratitude doesn't have to be for dramatic life-changing circumstances. It can be simple appreciation for the often overlooked miracles of daily life.